Hi and welcome to Pro Photo Tips. I'm Daniel and today we're going to talk about the Canon EOS 6D Mark II and if it's worth buying in 2019. The 6D Mark II has a 26 megapixel full-frame sensor with dual pixel autofocus, which is the best from Canon. The most interesting is the fact that the dual pixel autofocus is available in stills for photography and also for video. The focus system is composed of 45 point focus, which they are all cross types, so you don't have to worry about being in focus or not. It can record full HD videos up to 60 frames per second, which is good because you can do some slow motion in post. And you have the standard 24p, which by the way the new EOS RP doesn't have that, so you can get some cinematic footage out of the camera. I have this camera for a year now and I used it mostly for my vlogs. The video quality is exceptional. I know some of the guys on the internet, they complain about the dynamic range of this photo. Well, it might be better with the 6D original classic one, but it's not a deal breaker because you have so many features which helps you in videography and also in photography. Not to mention the fully articulated touchscreen, which is lovely to have even when you're doing videos or if you're taking photos, because if you take photos from different angles, it's nice to have your screen tilting up so you can see it. It can shoot at 6.5 frames per second, which is not perfect, but it's good for sport photography. I know that if you are a professional who does sport photography, you would take a 1DX Mark II because they are a beast of a camera in sport. The body itself, it's made out of plastic, which is not a cheap plastic. It's sturdy in the hands and it has a professional touch to it. The next thing which is great for this camera is the fact that it's weather sealed, so you don't have to worry about if you go out in a rainy situation. Now if you want more specs about this camera, I will leave some links down in the description and you can check them out. Also, I can leave a link to Amazon if you're interested in buying it. I'd say it's a good camera and offers me good quality, great autofocus, and the fact that I can see myself when I'm filming, it's great. I was thinking on switching onto EOS RP, but when I saw the features that camera has, the only thing which would make to switch onto EOS RP is the fact that it's light. This is not a real problem for me, so I will keep this camera and I will do more videos with it. Another thing to keep in mind is the fact that this camera has digital image stabilization on 5 axes, which is great when you're doing videos handheld. Now the price for this camera at the point of recording this video, it's $1,500 just for the body. I know it's not really cheap, but it's a great camera, so it worth every penny. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and remember, if you want great photos, keep practice. It will get better, I promise. Until next time, all the best.